smell it. It doesn't even say what it is. I think it didn't say anything because it had this little thing, this little printout from the post office. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't say where it came from. It doesn't say where it came from. But I smelled it. I'm like, oh my God. It's the Chhinkni. And it's not the second one I ordered because that was canceled. It's the first one. And they put it right in my mailbox. Which makes sense because it's small. Why wouldn't you just put it in my mailbox? Ooh, sorry. Oh my God.